Hello everyone and dear children, welcome to Teaching and Learning channel. Dear children, did you ever think how to float a magnet? Did you ever feel the forces of the magnets? Then today I am here with 3 simple home science experiments using the magnets. At first we see what are the materials we require to do these 3 simple magnetic science experiments. We need 1 clay slab, 2 ring magnets, 2 bar magnets and 1 pen. Procedure for step 1. Take a soft modeling clay and mold it into a rectangular slab. Step 2. Take a pen and stand it vertically on top of this clay slab. Step 3. Now take a ring magnet which has 2 poles, a south pole and a north pole. Now you hold the north pole of the magnet up and slide it over this pen. Then it falls to the base of the pen holder. Step 4. Take the second ring magnet and face its south pole to the north pole of the first magnet. Then you slide it over this pen and see what happens to the 2 magnets. Do the 2 magnets attract with one another? Yes, the 2 magnets stick to one another. Step 5. Now you hold the south pole of the second ring magnet up and slide it over this pen and see what happens to the 2 magnets. Do the 2 magnets stick to one another? No. When you hold the south pole of the second ring magnet up, then its north pole faces to the north pole of the first ring magnet. How do the 2 north poles behave when you bring them close to one another? Do they attract or repel? Yes. The 2 north poles repel one another when we try to bring them close to one another. That is the reason the 2 magnets do not stick to one another and the second magnet levitate on the top of the first magnet. That means the second magnet appears to float in mid-air and it springs up when you press it down. It looks like a magnetic spring. This magnetic levitation experiment demonstrates that the repelling force between the 2 magnets is stronger than the force of gravity. That's why that is the reason the magnet floats in the air and it acts like a magnetic spring. Now you reverse the pole of the second magnet and then you slide over the pen. Then due to the gravity, it reaches to the first magnet. We brought 2 dissimilar poles together so they attract with one another. Experiment 2. Attraction and repulsion between 2 magnets. What happens when we bring 2 north poles of 2 ring magnets? Do they attract or repel each other? Yes, 2 north poles repel each other. Now you reverse the 2 poles of the ring magnets. Let us try to bring the south pole of one ring magnet towards the south pole of the other ring magnet. What do you observe? Do the 2 south poles attract one another? No. The second magnet moves away from the first magnet. So the 2 south poles repel one another. Now you bring the north pole of first magnet towards the south pole of the second magnet. Do the 2 poles attract each other? Yes. A north pole and a south pole attract one another. Observation of the experiment. 2 like poles repel each other and 2 unlike poles attract each other. Experiment 3. Take 2 bar magnets and wheels are attached to one of the bar magnet is used as a magnetic car. Bring the south pole of the first bar magnet towards the north pole of the magnetic car. What do you observe? Do the two magnets attract one another? Yes. Now, you bring the north pole of the first magnet towards the north pole of the second bar magnet. What do you observe? Do the second bar magnet attract the first bar magnet? Is the car moving away from the first bar magnet? Yes. As the two north poles brought close to one another, so the magnetic repulsion causes the magnetic car to move away from the first bar magnet. So in this way, we can observe attraction and repulsion forces between two magnets. These are the 3 experiments about an interesting magnetic science experiments. I hope kids will like and enjoy these experiments. Dear viewers, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.